In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an N8n workflow. If you've ever had trouble navigating through the interface or finding the right settings, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where everything is and how to download your workflows with ease. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the official N8n website. This is where you'll find all the tools and features you need for managing your automations. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to observe the layout. It's designed to make workflow automation incredibly efficient once you get familiar with it. Next, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click it, enter your login details and access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one quickly, but assuming you already do, you'll be redirected straight into your N8n workspace after signing in. Once inside your account, navigate to the N8n admin panel. This panel is your central control area where you manage settings, explore features, and access the tools to control your automations more effectively. When the dashboard loads, look toward the top of the panel. You should see the Manage tab right beside the Dashboard tab. Click on Manage to access a set of organizational tools that help you control various parts of your N8n environment. Inside the Manage section, you will find the option you need, Export. This is where N8n places all functions related to saving or backing up your workflows. Click on Export, and from the available choices, select Download Workflows. The moment you do this, your workflows will be downloaded directly to your device, allowing you to save them, share them, or open them offline whenever needed. And that's all it takes. You've successfully downloaded your N8n workflow, and with these simple steps, the entire process becomes fast and intuitive. As you continue working inside N8n, the interface will become more familiar, and managing your automations will feel effortless. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and you'll quickly discover how powerful this platform can be. Thanks for watching and happy workflowing. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.